Hey guys, another unboxing video. A friend of mine in Connecticut goes by Joe C on YouTube. He decided he wanted to send me something, but he made me promise not to open up the box until I had the camera on it. So the camera is on. Joe, nothing's been touched yet. See it? I did cover up all the labels and get that ready. So let's pop this open. Let's see. Now the box says LMR 400 on it, but I already know that's not what's in here because he told me that it's not in here. But he did not tell me what he is sending or what he sent. Using the knife from my buddy Dallas. Let's see, what do we have? Some packing paper. Sorry, no power cord, no cheating. Okay. Oh, is I supposed to wait till Christmas? Wow, what do you think it could be? What do you think it is in there? Let me toss that box aside. Let's see. Oh, I know what that is. That's a President microphone. Oh, no doubt about it. It's got the round face to it. It's a President mic. Should we open it, or should I see if I can figure out what the radio is first? We got a knob there. Oh, there's paper in there. There's cardboard or something making it so I can't get to the face. All right. Oh. Can you see that? That's kind of a giveaway. Well, first, let's open up the mic. Let's see if my guess was correct. Actually, I could have looked at that too. Yeah, it's a 6-pin connector. President microphone. That looks just like the one that's on my Lincoln 2 Plus. Whatever the radio is, can guarantee you the mic is going to get replaced. I don't really care for those. What do we have here? That's a short body. It is. It's a President Mc Kinley. No shit. Oh, how fantastic is that? Oh, you know what? We're right here at my desk. Let's hook this thing up. It's all right, Joe. I don't need the power cord. I can come up with plenty of them. It's not easy to get my hand back here. The radio is not screwed down, but I use double-sided tape, so that one doesn't really move. Should we put it on an external speaker or just use the speaker that's built in? Let's try it first with the speaker that's built in. Because I do have an external speaker connection right here somewhere too. There it is. Let's see. Which one's the power knob? I'm not going to get my face down in there and put my face right in front of you. Well, put the back of my head right in your face. Well, okay. It is right there. Oh. Helps to give it power first. As soon as that stops making noise, I know we're ready. How fantastic is that? Thank you so much, Joe. And the owner's manual. In many languages. I could learn Spanish. What else could we learn? French. Portuguese. Oh, I may even be able to read some of that one. I know an awful lot of Portuguese. Oh, yeah. Oh, that is just sweet. Joe, I have been looking and looking and looking at the McKinleys, and I have been seriously considering buying one. I wanted one because of the short body. I just put my Anytone in my car, but the Anytone may end up coming out because this radio will work fantastic with one of the amplifiers I have. So I can put this right in my dashboard, and the shallow radio. When I put a radio like this Grant, about that much of it sticks out of the dash because I don't have the depth in there. But this radio would fit perfect in there and still have plenty of airflow to keep the backside cool. So I'm going to put this in my car with one of my amplifiers. And it'll be going through a new antenna. I put a new antenna on my car that I haven't showed you guys yet. I put a one of the ones with the coily thing in the middle of it. You know, like the Mr. Coily, but not as nice as the Mr. Coily. Oh, I can't get over this. Thank you, Joe. I got a McKinley. If it had been like a month more, I probably would have ended up buying one on my own. One of my locals here, 262, he has a McKinley that he uses in his truck, and he loves the radio. He sounds good on the air, too. Oh, yeah, I can't wait to stop playing with this one. We already have some received. There's tiny little bits of been Germany, Italy, and a little bit of South America today. Oh, I can't get over that. Thank you so much, Joe. A little history of Joe and I. He's trying to move down here to South Carolina. He lives in Connecticut right now, but wants to move down here. And when he gets down here, even long before he told me he was sending me this, I made him a promise, Joe, and I mean it. When you get here, I am going to set you up with a fantastic base station antenna. No more mobile on the AC for you. We'll get you properly set up. All right, guys, check it out. I got a McKinley. Hey, thanks for watching. And Joe, thank you so much. I so appreciate this. I actually was shopping for one of these. Thank you so much. You saved me a whole bunch of money. All right, guys, till next time. Take care.